Hello guys, welcome to our channel The Foundation Course. Today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from first chapter of NCERT class 8th Geography. So first chapter is about resources. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following do not come under classification of resources? Option A, natural resources. Option B, human-made resources. Option C, human resources. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option D, that is none of the above. Resources are generally classified into natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Question number 2. On the basis of their development and use, resources can be classified into option A, renewable and non-renewable. Option B, actual and potential. Option C, ubiquitous and localized. Option D, biotic and abiotic. Answer is option B, that is actual and potential. On the basis of their development and use, natural resources can be classified into two groups, that is actual resources and potential resources. Question number 3. Consider the following statements about resources. Statement 1. Based on their origin, resources can be abiotic or biotic. Statement 2. Based on their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Choose the correct option. Option A, only one. Option B, only two. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Based on their origin, resources can be abiotic or biotic. Abiotic resources are non-living, while biotic resources are living. Soils, rocks, and minerals are abiotic, but plants and animals are biotic resources. Based on their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Question number 4. Consider the following statements about resources. Statement 1. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Statement 2. Balancing and conserving the resources for the future is called sustainable development. Choose the incorrect option. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option D, that is neither 1 nor 2. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. There are many ways of conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling, and reusing things. Question number 5. Which one of the following does not make a substance into a resource? Option A, utility. Option B, value. Option C, quantity. Option D, time. Answer is option C, that is quantity. A substance can become a resource with the utility, value, and time. Question number 6. Consider the following statements about resources. Statement 1. Resources that are found everywhere are ubiquitous. Statement 2. Resources which are found only in certain places are called localized. Choose the correct option. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. On the basis of their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Resources that are found everywhere, like the air we breathe, are ubiquitous, and which are found only in certain places or localized, like copper, iron ore, etc. Question number 7. Resources which are not being used in the present and could be used in the future are called as option A, actual resources. Option B, potential resources. Option C, localized resources. Option D, ubiquitous resources. Answer is option B, that is potential resources. On the basis of their development and use, resources can be classified into two groups, that is actual resources and potential resources. Question number 8. Consider the following statements about resources. Statement 1. Stock of resources is the total amount of resources already used. Statement 2. The distribution of resources is unequal on the earth. Choose the correct option. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option B, that is only 2. Stock of resources means the amount of resources available for use. The distribution of resources is unequal on the earth. Question number 9. The distribution of natural resources on the earth depends upon which of the following factors? Option A, terrain. Option B, climate. Option C, altitude. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, that is all of the above. The distribution of natural resources depend upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate, altitude, etc. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Question number 10. Consider the following statements about resources. Statement 1. Resources whose quantity is known are called as actual resources. Statement 2. Resources whose quantity is unknown are called as potential resources. Choose the correct option. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known, and potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known, and these are not being used at present. These resources could be used in the future. The level of technology we have at present may not be advanced enough to utilize these resources. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Have a nice day.